Hi there and welcome to CA Developers. Today we are going to implement a CRUD application in CodeIngniter. So before starting that process, don't forget to subscribe our channel and touch the bell icon. So first of all, you need to download that folder from the given link in the description. So here is the application and then the database. So we already have downloaded that and we need to import the data and then application. So just create a new database here, name CRUD, save, click on that. Choose a file there, CRUD, then just click on go. So he has imported all the databases and tables here. Now we are going to paste the application in FAM folder. So just copy that CRUD here, then paste it in www folder CRUD. Now open that folder in your text editor and just drag that folder here. Open that folder, application controller, then customers, so just click there, localhost /CRUD /index.php /person. So you can see that the database has been opened here, and this is the basic CRUD application. There you can add something like John Doe, mail address, something like something in an address, choose the date here, choose the image file, for example this one, save that file. Here you can see that you can edit that, this one, then delete that as well. So this is the basic CRUD application in CodeIngniter. So you can download that folder from the given link in the description to implement your settings in this app. So thanks for watching the videos. If you like our videos, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to touch the bell icon.